Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the latest news happening in South Africa. Ajay Gupta and his brother-in-law, Anil Gupta, were arrested in India on Friday for their suspected role in the death of prominent builder Satyendra Singh Sahni in Dehradun. According to the Times of India, Sahni's suicide note addressed to Prime Minister Narendra Modi accused the Gupta relatives of persistent threats, which ultimately led him to take his own life. Sahni claimed that the Guptas had been pressuring him over financial disputes related to a joint project. In 2023, Sahni's son, Ranveer, filed a complaint against the Guptas. He stated, "My father was constantly being threatened by Ajay Gupta, son of Shiv Gupta, and Anil Gupta, son of Shyam Lal Gupta, residents of Nehru Colony, Dalanwala, over financial matters." A written complaint was submitted to the local police on 19 May 2023 about the Gupta brothers' threats, harassment, intimidation, and blackmail. Ranveer also mentioned that the Guptas had filed a false complaint in Saharanpur, leading to his father being repeatedly summoned by the police there. Based on initial evidence, the police arrested the two businessmen. The Gupta brothers have been detained on the basis of their involvement in the case. Both will be produced in court on Saturday, said Senior Superintendent of Police Ajay Singh. Meanwhile, South Africa is still attempting to extradite Atul and Rajesh Gupta from the United Arab Emirates. The National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, reported difficulties in their efforts to bring the brothers back to face charges of fraud and money laundering. In April, the UAE rejected South Africa's extradition request. Advocate Shamila Batohi, National Director of Public Prosecutions, noted the lack of clear communication from UAE authorities regarding the rejection. Next, we will talk about the South African Justice Department's engagement with Indian officials following the arrest of Ajay and Anil Gupta. The Department of Justice will engage with Indian officials following the arrest of Ajay and Anil Gupta on Friday for their alleged involvement in the death of a prominent builder in Dehradun. Department spokesperson Crispin Fury confirmed that authorities are aware of the reports of the Gupta brothers' arrest. The Department of Justice and Correctional Services has noted reports of the arrest of two Gupta brothers, Ajay and Anil, in India. Our arrest warrants were for Rajesh and Atul Gupta. Nevertheless, formal processes are underway through the High Commissioner in India to verify and for possible engagement, he told News 24. The two were arrested by the Dehradun police on Friday. Anil is married to Akhla, the sister of the Gupta brothers. Speaking at an ANC rally at FNB Stadium in Johannesburg, Justice Minister Ronald Lamola clarified that while Gupta family members had indeed been arrested in India, they were not the ones South Africa had issued warrants of arrest for. Lamola mentioned he was uncertain whether those arrested were related to Rajesh and Atul, who left South Africa for Dubai amid numerous legal challenges and investigations, both in South Africa and internationally. The Guptas have been accused of large-scale corruption and wielding political influence over former President Jacob Zuma. Their assets in South Africa have been subject to freezing orders, and they have been involved in legal battles to reclaim those assets. Several countries have expressed concerns or taken actions regarding the Guptas due to allegations of corruption and money laundering. In April, National Director of Public Prosecutions Shamila Batohi stated that South African authorities face challenges in extraditing Atul and Rajesh back to South Africa from the United Arab Emirates, UAE, to face charges, including fraud and money laundering related to state capture. South Africa's extradition request to the UAE was rejected in April 2023, and Batohi noted that follow-ups to ascertain the reasons for the request denial had not received satisfactory responses from their Middle Eastern counterparts. "We have been trying very hard to find out some very basic things like what exactly is the problem with our extradition request. We've not had satisfactory responses from the UAE," Batohi said. "We've been trying to set up a meeting with the National Director and the head of the prosecuting authority in the UAE in order for us to understand this, but we've not been able to schedule that meeting for months," she added. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news and analysis on the latest events. Until next time, take care and stay informed.